The spaceship is complete and ready for takeoff. All right, Gohan. Just let me know when you're ready to launch. We won't be back on Earth anytime soon, so make sure you've got everything you need.
Right!
So, you all set for the trip? Okay. I'll just perform a few final checks and make my way over to Kame House. You go ahead and meet up with Krillin and the others.
With their preparations for the journey to planet Namek complete, everyone has gathered at Kame House.
What's with the hair, Gohan?
My mom thought I should look more presentable. You know, when meeting an entire alien race for the first time.
Okay. Man, your mom sure is strict. We're counting on you. Don't come back until you found those Dragon Balls. On it.
Bye, Grandpa! Bye, Mom! Bye, Master Roshi!
Write me every day, Gohan! All right, time for takeoff. Watch out, Planet Namek, here we come!
Meanwhile, just as Bulma and the others left for planet Namek, Vegeta, back and fully recovered from his fight on Earth, learned of his commander Frieza's absence. Frieza was on his way to planet Namek with his most elite subordinates in tow. He was in search of the Dragon Balls that he learned of from Vegeta and the others on Earth. His goal? To wish for immortality. Vegeta hurriedly made his way to Namek in an effort to catch Frieza and stop him.
If Frieza is able to attain immortality, the universe's history, I'm not going to let that happen. Those Dragon Balls are mine!
Meanwhile, 34 days after Bulma and the others left Earth, they finally arrived at their destination, planet Namek.
We did it! We actually made it to planet Namek!
This place kind of reminds me of where Piccolo trained me, back on Earth.
No use waiting around. Let's find those Dragon Balls. Hey, check this out! I'm picking something up. No doubt about it, it's a Dragon Ball!
You're right!
Woohoo! All right!
All right, we found one!
Huh? Krillin, do you feel that strong energy over there?
Man, you're not kidding. It's massive, and it feels crazy strong. And there's something kind of evil about it, too.
There's nothing to freak out about. Besides, look at the reading I'm getting over there. The radar's picking up 4 Dragon Balls all in one spot.
Yeah, you're right. It's probably just some Namekians. We got nothing to be afraid of.
Wait, I feel like I've seen that ship somewhere before.
It's a Saiyan spaceship!
I knew it!
Go on, lower your power level. They'll know we're here.
Yeah.
It's Vegeta. Looks like it's just him.
I am not letting you get your filthy hands on those Dragon Balls, Frieza!
Bulma, let the others know what's going on, and then head back to Earth. We'll stay here and gather the rest of the Dragon Balls. Gohan, sound good to you?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll get a hold of Master Roshi and fill him in first. Once I'm back, I'll pick Goku up and bring him here. I should be back in about 2 months.
Right. 2 months. What?
Another one?
Hold the phone. What's another one of those things doing here?
Yeah, that's exactly what I want to know!
We found it, Lord Frieza!
Excellent work. Now only 3 remain out of my grasp. Take care not to lose that Dodoria. It seems Vegeta is looking for the Dragon Balls as well.
Yes, sir!
Pardon me. Lord Frieza, Qui has just intercepted Vegeta.
Has he? My, that was fast.
In addition, the 2 large power sources from earlier have suddenly disappeared as well. I will make my way to their location and investigate. I should be able to identify them shortly.
Very well, but I'm more concerned about ridding myself of that traitor Vegeta. What a shame. I didn't think him foolish enough to turn against me, let alone attempt to steal the Dragon Balls for himself.
Qui should be on his way to dispose of Vegeta. Should be interesting. Those 2 have long hated each other. They are roughly equal in power, I believe. So I assume it'll take a fair bit of time.
You're not going anywhere, Vegeta. I'm going to enjoy blowing you to pieces.
Right. Make sure to let Goku and the others know. All right, I'm heading back to Earth now. Good luck, you 2. I'll be back with Goku as fast as I can.
Krillin! Someone's...
Is it the Saiyan?
No. It's not Vegeta. It's some...
It should be right around here. Huh?
What?
Those aren't Namekians!
They don't look like Namekians! Who the... Their power levels are a joke! They're nothing but trash!
I guess it's just some tourists, huh? Well, anyway, we got orders to annihilate everyone on the planet. Wouldn't be much fun if they got away.
Sounds good to me!
No! That's our ship!
Sucks to be them! Guess they were in the wrong place at the wrong time.
Okay, Gohan. Feel free to let loose on these guys. They're nothing compared to you. Here goes!
Right!
Just like the soldiers we fought back on Earth!
What's going on with their power levels?
Hey!
Nice going! There's nothing nice about this!
They raised their power levels almost instantly, and then vanished after defeating 2 of our scouts.
That is indeed strange. I highly doubt it's Vegeta's doing.
Correct, my lord. It can't be Vegeta. The sources each have a power level of about 1,500.
1,500, is that right? Hardly anything worthy of our concern, wouldn't you say? They do seem rather unruly. If you happen upon these 2, eliminate them. Let us leave Vegeta's destruction to Qui.
That was a direct order from...
Don't make me laugh, Queen.
You'll see my power level is leagues above yours.
Well now. Queen doesn't seem to realize how much of a threat I am. Good. I'll get rid of that waste of space in no time. That was hardly a challenge.
You don't stand a chance against me with a power level like that.
Don't be disappointed. You see, I've managed to learn a little new trick during my time on Earth.
Like what? How to run away?
Like how to control my power level.
No way! 19, 20...
Well, this must be some sort of error, but I set my scouter to Vegeta's coordinate, and it's showing a reading of more than 22,000.
Did you say 22,000? That's an older model scouter, isn't it? Here, I'll get a more accurate reading with mine. Impossible! It can't be! Is my scouter broken? But it's a newer model! The reading's up to 24,000!
Are you saying his power level is even beyond ours now? Die!
We're supposed to be equal in power!
I've grown stronger with each battle that I fought. The most recent one on Earth pushed me to the brink of death. Don't think for a second that a pampered peon like you could ever be my equal. Don't underestimate!
Whoa, wait, I've got a great idea! I'll help him fight Frieza. We can take him on together. I never really liked him anyway. What did you say?
You're so pathetic. You pissed me off for the last time. Prepare yourself. Prepare yourself! I can't believe it! Prepare yourself! You're not going anywhere! Dirty fireworks.
Vegeta's power level from before! That 24,000 reading, it was real!
Oh,
I don't believe it! He just took out Qui!
I'm hardly surprised at this. How soon you forget. Vegeta is a highly experienced fighter in every right, not to mention foolish. He doesn't seem to know his error and so brazenly defying me.
Lord Frieza, the scouter shows there are about 10 Namekians in that direction.
Very good. Let's hope they have what I'm looking for. The 5th Dragon Ball. Let's pay them a
I hate to say it, but that's it. We're screwed. There's no way we can ever get back to Earth now.
Bulma, let's at least get away from this place. We're sitting ducks out here.
We should try to find a place to hide. Maybe in a Namekian house or a cave or something.
We'll try to figure something.
I'm sure the Namekians can help us fix our ship, right?
I wish I could be as optimistic as you two. A girl needs time to be at her best. You go on ahead. I'll catch up in a bit.
Really wish I could fly right now, but I can't. I'd give away my location.
I know I said not to fly, but boy, do I really want to fly now!
Yeah. I feel the same way. You can't, Krillin. Yeah!
I actually won!
There's gotta be a good place to hide somewhere around here. Take you down!
Feels great to win.
They look really strong. Take you down. No! No!
Feels great to win. You're ready for a real challenge?
Special beam cannon!
No! They look really strong. Take you down.
Barely.
I really wish I could fly right now, but I can't. Take you down!
Solar flare!
You're kidding me!
All right! I actually won!
So, how long do we have to stay in a creepy place like that?
Huh? Krillin, do you sense that power over there?
Yeah, I do. But it's not like the others from before. This time it might be Namekian. Huh? Hide! There's some strange energy headed this way. What are you doing, Bulma? Hide! Those guys we beat up earlier weren't alone!
Huh?
It's them! Bulma, do me a favor and check. You said 4 of the Dragon Balls were in one spot, right? Well then, it's possible that those guys...
Yeah! That explains it! They have the 4 Dragon Balls!
Yeah, That's what I thought. Go on. Did you feel it?
Yeah, their power was incredible.
Whoa, that small guy, he might actually be stronger than Vegeta.
Whoa, stronger than Vegeta? No way.
Cool, man. Wait, how are we supposed to get the Dragon Balls from those guys?